Yo, what is going on? My name is Freddie and we're back with Make It Yourself. I want to say thank you for everybody that has been supporting, everybody that's been checking in. It's just been a lot of things going on, but I do want to say I am back and I do want to continue on this grind. So let's just jump right into this recipe. The official name for it is monkey bread, but I do believe that you could just call it pull-apart bread. You already seen the ingredients. I will leave that in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. One thing I do want to throw out there is that I really enjoyed making this because you could eat it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, a snack, whatever. It works so well with a lot of things, and you'll be surprised how well and how tasty it actually comes out once you're finished. Hey, listen, before we get out of here, I want to say thank you for everybody tuning in. If you could, leave a like down below. It really do help. I really appreciate it. It lets me know that, you guys like the content, likes what I'm putting out. So if you could, just leave a like and a comment. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I welcome you and thank you. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.